Hi guys, today is my 20th day of summer vacation. Today we're going to be having some bird fun. So I have this bird feeder right here, and I'm going to put some bird food in it, and then I'm going to take some videos of the birds coming and going on the bird feeder. So I don't want to keep the birds waiting for their lunch or So now that I've put all the bird food in the bird feeder, all we gotta do is just wait and watch for some beautiful birds to come by. So guys, at the end of this video, there's a very beautiful bird I've never seen come by my house. So I have a challenge for you guys. I want you guys to find out what this bird's name is and put it down in the comment section below. And if you guys comment down below in the next 24 hours, then you guys won the challenge. So we just finished filming, and as you guys saw, there were a lot of birds that came. I hope you guys had fun seeing all the birds. And that's all for today. You guys should definitely like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated for my future videos. Bye!